Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about dividend income projection formula for $1,000 monthly income. Many investors want to build a reliable stream of passive income, and one of the most common goals is earning $1,000 per month from dividends. Therefore, this video explains a simple step-by-step formula to estimate how much portfolio value may be needed, and how compounding can help you reach that goal over time. First, let's understand the target clearly. If your goal is to receive $1,000 per month in dividend income, then the first thing you need to do is convert that monthly target into an annual dividend goal. In other words, you multiply the monthly income goal by 12. So, $1,000 multiplied by 12 gives $12,000 per year. That means your portfolio needs to generate about $12,000 annually in dividends. Next, we look at the core inputs used in this example. The monthly income goal is $1,000, and the annual income goal is $12,000. Then, for dividend yield, we use example rates of 3%, 4%, 5%, and 6%. Also, the example monthly investment amount is $1,000, and the expected annual total return is 8%. In addition, the strategy assumed here is reinvesting dividends so the portfolio can compound more effectively. After that, we calculate the required portfolio using a very simple formula. The formula is annual dividend need divided by dividend yield. So, if the yield is 3%, you divide $12,000 by 0.03, which gives $400,000. If the yield is 4%, you divide $12,000 by 0.04, which gives $300,000. Likewise, at a 5% yield, the required portfolio is $240,000, and at a 6% yield, the required portfolio is $200,000. So, this gives us a quick projection check. At 3% yield, you may need about $400,000. At 4% yield, you may need about $300,000. At 5% yield, you may need about $240,000. And at 6% yield, you may need about $200,000. However, while a higher yield lowers the amount of capital needed, quality and sustainability of the dividend are also very important. Now, let's bring in compounding. Portfolio growth does not come only from your own contributions. Instead, it grows from three major sources: regular contributions, reinvested dividends, and compound returns. Because of this, even if your starting point is small, consistent investing over time can gradually build a much larger income-producing portfolio. For example, if you invest $1,000 per month and earn an average annual return of 8%, your portfolio may grow to around $300,000 in roughly 14 years. As shown in the example growth timeline, the portfolio starts at $0 in year 0, grows to about $73,000 by year 5, reaches around $183,000 by year 10, and then climbs to about $308,000 by year 14. At that stage, the 4% yield target is close to being reached. As a result, the practical interpretation becomes easy to understand. If your portfolio reaches about $300,000 and yields around 4%, it may generate about $12,000 per year, or approximately $1,000 per month in dividends. That is why many dividend investors focus not only on income today, but also on long-term growth and reinvestment. Moreover, there are several ways to reach the goal faster. You can increase monthly contributions, reinvest all dividends, focus on dividend growth and quality, reduce unnecessary expenses, and increase your income over time. Each of these actions may improve how quickly your portfolio grows. Finally, remember that this example is for educational purposes only. Real dividend income can vary depending on dividend yields, taxes, fees, inflation, market risk, and dividend changes. So, always do your own research and, if needed, consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.